In many churches, the sound coming from the stage is louder than the house mix, and that's a problem. You'll never experience a quality mix if stage noise is out of control. There's three main causes of excessive stage noise: uncontrolled acoustic drums, guitar amps, and loud stage monitors. And in this video, I'm going to give you simple ways to fix these problems so that you can achieve balance between your stage noise and your house mix. This video is brought to you by Behringer X32 Mastery, the fastest way for church sound techs to master the X32. And with a team license, you can enroll unlimited team members now and in the future. Finally, everyone will be on the same page. Visit x32.church or click the link in the description to learn more. Well, hey, if we haven't met, I'm Cade, creator of Collaborate Worship, and we are dedicated to building confident worship teams. In other words, we want to help you master technical skills so your church can worship without distraction. Now we're talking about ways to lower stage noise, so let's start with the drums. When they're too loud, you need to have some type of sound deadening strategy for the drums. Otherwise, the natural sound coming from the drums will be overwhelming. Now you don't need complete isolation, as some would believe, and you may not even need a drum shield. The first thing you need to do is communicate with the drummer if they're playing too loud. I know, it's a hard thing to get across to a drummer that loves to beat the heck out of the drums, but keep at it. Find ways to help them realize that the drums actually sound better when control is used. Then, if the drums are still too loud, I actually have a video with a few things that you can try before you build a plexiglass fort. I'll include a link in the description. All right, next up, let's talk about those guitar amps. Those things should be fully isolated. There really isn't a benefit to hearing direct sound from the amp in the audience. Now, there are several ways to take care of this. You can put the amp in another room, or like in a closet aimed at some sound absorption panels. You could build an isolation cabinet. Or you could talk your guitarist into skipping the amp altogether and plugging directly into the sound system from their pedals. Keep in mind, this will not do you any good unless you're using in-ear monitors. Otherwise, you'll be running the guitar through the monitor wedges and just recreating the noise. Speaking of, let's talk about those monitor wedges because it's time to get rid of them. And I know some people are going to put up a fight, but it's well worth the fight. And you know what? The people that put up a fight and they fight the hardest will actually end up loving their in-ear monitors a few months down the line. You see, there's no other way to get control of the massive stage volume that comes as a result of your musicians needing to hear themselves. Switching to in-ear monitors doesn't have to break the bank. I actually have a post on how you can do it pretty inexpensively. I'll include a link in the description. And hey, if you have questions, drop them in the comments. I'd be glad to answer. If you'd like to see more videos like this, give me a thumbs up to let me know. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the little bell so that we can let you know when a new video comes out. I'll see you next time.